back to my channel. I hope you're really excited today because we're making Manchow soup. This soup is jam-packed with flavor and it's available in all Indo Chinese restaurants as well as Hakka restaurants. It's also found on street stalls. Now, it's rumored to have originated in Meghalaya and it made its way across India from the east to the west and down to the south and now all over the world. Now, typical Manchow soup is made by dicing the ingredients really fine and then it's simmered in a spicy, sour broth and it's topped with crispy noodles. Now, today I'm making a vegetarian Manchow soup, but you can totally put chicken in it or even shrimp. Before I go any further with this recipe, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel. I upload a ton of videos every week, so make sure that you're subscribed and also ring the bell, that's YouTube's new bell icon. That will notify you every time I upload a new video. Now let's get cooking. As I mentioned before, the highlight of the soup is the finely diced vegetables and the aromatics. While I only need a little bit of each for the soup, the rest of the ingredients are going to get prepped for a freezer fresh soup video, so be sure to look out for that. I have some oil heating up in my stock pot and I'm going to start with the aromatics. One tablespoon of spring onions. I've used mostly just the bulbs. I'm just going to allow this to heat up a bit and then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of finely minced garlic. Followed by 1 tablespoon of finely minced ginger. Now for the rest of the ingredients. A 1/4 cup of diced mushrooms, 1/4 cup of diced cauliflower. If you can find Chinese cauliflower, it's a lot prettier than regular cauliflower and it's easier to cut as well. I'm going to follow this with a 1/4 cup of green pepper, a 1/4 cup of sliced green beans, a 1/4 cup of celery, 1/4 cup of carrots, a 1/4 cup of cabbage, and finally 2 tablespoons of fried tofu. Now you can use regular firm tofu if you like. I just like getting the fried version as it's easier to dice, but it's also really easy to freeze leftovers. Next, I'm going to add 4 cups, that's a quart or 1 liter of preheated stock. I'm using a mushroom stock. You can use vegetable stock if you like, or even chicken stock if you're making a chicken Manchow soup. While this heats up, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of chili paste or sambal ole, 1 tablespoon of dark soya sauce, and 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Now this is going to give this a spicy, salty, and sour taste. Taste for salt and add more salt as required. I'm avoiding using more soya sauce to keep the light color on the veggies. Finally, add a cornstarch slurry. This is simply cornstarch mixed with water to thicken your soup. Allow the soup to cool slightly and then add a 1/4 cup of fresh and chopped coriander. If you're planning to serve non-vegetarians as well, just add shredded chicken to the individual bowls. I know a lot of people that are vegetarian but have non-vegetarians in the family, so this is a great option. If this soup didn't look perfect enough, it's typically served with a crown of crispy noodles. I can't wait to tuck into mine. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for Manchow soup. It's one of my favorite soups to have. If you have a cough or a cold, it will kick it right out of your body. Make sure that you subscribe to my channel, guys. I upload new videos every week. Do share my channel and my videos with your family and friends. Also, ring that bell. It's YouTube's new bell icon that will notify you every time I upload a new video. And follow me on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and even Snapchat. Till I see you next time, take care and happy eating. Bye.
Meghalaya.
Meghalaya. What is it? Meghalaya.
No, it's not the way you're breaking it out here.
Meghalaya.
No.
Meghalaya.
No.
Meghalaya. 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 Meghalaya.
Different.